Just a quick update on the bike. It's not finished by any means, I've still got the frame to build, but the electric motor and wheel are on. I've done the white writing, which I think looks really cool, and the front wheel is on and painted, which you might have seen on another video. I've managed to get disc brakes on here, which was a little bit of messing about, and I might make a video on how I did it because it was quite interesting and it looks really smart. Not that you can see it in this light. Obviously the handlebars there, that's the whole bike, and then obviously once the seat goes on, it's going to be on about there, so you can clearly see it's going to be big enough for a big boy to ride anyway. So it's like a little update. Obviously your digital display and your thumb throttle is there. Still got the gear changes, got a bell that's not thingied yet, and we've got brakes front and back. Changed the pedals, which you've seen, and there's your 250 watt motor. Yeah, really cool.